Hi, my name is Jen, and today we're looking at plank variations. Planks are an outstanding exercise for people with scoliosis and spinal fusions, and the variations are endless. I'll show a few of my favorites today. The most important things to remember are: 1, keep those areas of collapse, those concavities expanded, and 2, try to keep the shifting as minimal as possible. For our first plank, we're just going to do a normal plank so that we can begin to warm up. You'll come into a tabletop position and then step one foot back into a plank, the other foot back to a plank. I like to make sure my feet are equal distance from the midline. And here, my favorite breathing pattern, take an inhale to lengthen your spine. Take an exhale to widen your ribs. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale to widen. And then bend your knees, and a nice resting position is a modified puppy pose. So the forearms are parallel to the front edge of the mat. The hips are just behind the knees. You can gently let your forehead rest onto the backs of your hands. For this next plank variation, you'll take your feet a little bit wider onto the outside edges of the mat. Find your plank here, and then you'll tap the right fingertips to the left shoulder. And there will be a little bit of shift. Try to keep your areas of collapse nice and expanded. Keep growing your spine tall. Maybe do 10 taps. Bend those knees and take a rest here. For the last plank variation, you can bring your feet a little closer together. And then from here, you'll just tap your toes to the outside of the mat, keeping the spine long. Try really hard to keep the leg that's moving parallel. It's really small, so there's not too much shifting through the body or through the torso. And you can take one last final rest. Thanks for joining me today. Once again, my name is Jen Gorman. I am a patient, advocate, and practitioner focusing on scoliosis, spinal fusions, and back care. To get more information, go to scoliosisandbackcare.com.